how to increase or boost your kick in FL Studio. First, just open the kick setting, and from there you can either increase or decrease the volume of it, or you can click on the pre-computed effect. You have a boost button which you can easily use and see the very big difference in between kick that you had and the kick that is boosted. Another way to do this is to open and adjust the level or the volume of the kick, and you can see the difference, you can hear the difference in between, or just simply use the volume button. Apart from this, there is one more way to do boosting. Just check the track, press Ctrl L, and you can easily scroll up and down the volume of the kick. This is one more way to boost or increase the power of your kick. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next session.